Guys, we are going to walk through how to fill up IMM 1295E application for work permit made outside Canada for an ICT sample application. But as I have said, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys. So the very first thing is UCI. So if it is your first application, you do not have UCI, but don't worry, IRCS is going to create that for you. Then you're going to select I want service in. I select English sample. Family name as shown in your passport. Given name. Have you ever used any other name before? Gender, date of birth. Do it as per your case. But one thing, guys, like whatever you enter here, date of birth, make sure it matches with, of course, first of all, your passport, your document, and also the questionnaire that you have gone through the wizard. Otherwise, it may create trouble when you upload the document because this you're not going to print and upload. You're going to fill it up, validate, generate the barcodes, and then you're going to upload it. You can write your name in place of signature. That gets accepted because I've seen that in my case. Citizenship, whatever is applicable in your case. Current country or territory of residence. So let's say this guy is in India. Status is citizen. Previous country or territory of residence. During past 5 years, have you lived in any country or territory other than your country of citizenship or your current country or territory of residence indicator? I select no. But if you have, definitely do that. Country or territory where applying, same where residence, yes. Your current marital status, single. Have you previously been married or common law relationship? I select no. Language, your native language. Are you able to communicate in English or French? I select English. Have you taken an exam? I select no. Passport. Be very careful with these details, guys. A lot of people do minor mistakes and then they struggle. Verify at least 2 times. And when you enter date formats are very important. You can of course select, but again, check it. Check your passport and then enter and check it 2 times, not just once. For this trip, will you use a passport issued by these questions are all disabled. Nationality document, you can select yes if you have, and put the number and details. I'm just putting sample. USPR or green card holder, I select no. Contact information, mailing address, city, town. Do it nicely and properly. Don't do like that I'm doing. Is it the same as mailing address? I select yes. Telephone number, others. Because this guy is like from India, so I select Indian phone number. Country code of India is 91, and I just put number. Email address is very important. Do it nicely, not what I'm showing you. What type of work permit are you applying for? Exemption from labor market impact assessment. Okay. Name of employer. Okay. Definitely, if you go for ICT, you have this information. Intended location of employment, you have that information already. I'm just putting some sample. Job title, brief description, duty. Definitely, you can write that. Duration of expected employment. Yeah, this is very important. I'm just putting some sample. Education. Have you had your post-secondary education, including university, college, and I select yes. If answer, give full details of your highest level. Details of your highest level of okay. Highest level education only they have asked. Okay. Highest level. Okay. So let's say this guy has done 10 plus 2 plus 4. I mean, engineering 4 years. And typically they graduate in, if without drop, 18 years. So 96, 18 is how much? 2014 to 2015. Let's say I'm just putting sample 2014-05 to 2018. Oh, I'm sorry. You do as per your case, guys, not by this field and level of study. So I'll write BTech in IT school, New Delhi. This is just sample, guys. College, city, town, New Delhi, country, India. Employment. Give the details of employment past, including if you held any government position. Okay. So now, right now we are in 2024. So that means from 2014 they need data. So you will include your education too. Let's say this guy, like, after passing here 2018 onwards, he's working in the company. So first enter that, and then even education and all. If you're unemployed or something, all information you have to give. I'm just skipping it because I just want to give sample, but provide that employment info with the most recent one over here. Okay, because for the most recent one, this is mandatory. Within past 2 years, lung tuberculosis, no. Physical mental disorder. Have you remained beyond the validity of your status authorization in Canada? Refused visa, work permit of Canada, another country? Have you previously applied to enter remain in Canada? So I assume this guy's first application, so I select no. Have you ever committed or arrested for charge with any criminal offense? No. Have you ever served military, militia, civil defense? I select no. But if you have, definitely provide the information. Have you ever mastered a partial? I select no, but definitely provide information. You can select the date here and then signature. Like, you can just type the name. Right now validation will fail because one section I have not entered. Offer of employment, LMIA, offer employment number. So yeah, I'll just see this. In Canada, following format A. Okay, thanks for giving me format. A 3, 3, 6, 7 digits. 3, 6. Okay, wow. Oh, still this is okay. No worries. 2018 06 current activity. So I'll just put the job title. Okay, IT consultant company, New Delhi, ITTTTTT, city, town, New Delhi, country, India. Okay, before and after that, education detail also you enter. Then that's fine. Now it will pass the validation. Yeah, and it's gonna generate barcodes as well. Perfect. Now this will be uploaded. So I'll take you back to the GCK now.